Okay. Okay. We'll try. We'll give this another shot. And this should just take us back to the start soon. I just want to make sure I've got everything around here. Okay. Then going this way gets me here. Oh, awesome, I've got the blimp. That means I can get this stuff without worrying about dying. Okay, that's handy. Can I get this pipe? Nope. Why? Alright. My internet's not liking this today. How do I get to that? Wait, so how do I get to... So if I jump like here... Okay, that was cool. I want to just try get all of these CDs because I need a fair amount to unlock the exit. Oh gosh, this blimp does not like the gravity. Wait, where did I just land? Okay, I just landed here. No. Okay. That's fine, I guess. I keep forgetting I can't jump on that platform. What if I jump from like back here? Okay, that looked almost promising. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to deal with that fire maze yet. This is like the Super Mario World P balloon, but worse. It's somehow worse than the P balloon in Super Mario. So many flaming creatures. I have no idea what any of these enemies are. Okay. Give me the CD. Okay, so I've collected... Okay, so I think I've got pretty much everything in this... Well, I've got everything so far in this area. Okay, we got the balloon. Okay, so we went with... No, we did get that platform. Okay, so we can go further up this way. Okay, we're not a balloon anymore, so that's... Oh, that was so close. was so close to dying in acid. Wait, am I? Wait, what? No, I'm back here. How did I get back here? Wait. Did I not? No, I... Wait. I'm so confused. I was here. You know, I definitely was... It was this one that I was at. How did I miss this first? How did I accidentally miss the first one? Okay. Okay, 200 CDs, only 100 more to go. And then once I get the 100... No, I missed the balloon. Actually, I don't think I have been around this area. Yeah, okay, I haven't got these ones yet. Okay, so now I can go back and get... Where do I actually want to go? I can go back, grab the balloon. I could go into the fire maze, which I very much do not feel like. Go up, been in here. If I go up further, it's just this area. There's nothing else up here. Or I could take the balloon back around. And I really don't want to go into this area. I could take the balloon back. I could go this way. I could go... I could get... Could maybe get up to here. I'll try that. Oh, this is not easy to control. Okay, so I want to get to there. God, this is so difficult to move. No. Is this... Okay, this will take me back. Okay, I'm getting closer. I'm getting close to finishing this level. Hopefully. Oh, have I maxed out the score? That's cool. Oh, why is it spinning? Okay. This is new. I don't trust those. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's awful. Why would you do that? Oh, that's terrible. Oh no. Oh no, the score's not maxed out. That sucks. Oh no. I have no idea which way is up. Oh, this is so bad. No. Oh no. Okay, so if I'm on the edge, I can use the wall as a reference to figure out which way I'm going. Oh, that's... Why are there so many? This is absurd. No, please. No. But... I need to pause that for a second. If I didn't regret before, I certainly regret now. Oh, God, that's awful. Oh, okay. Ooh, a CD. That's nice. I'm just being so careful because I want to get out of this level. So there's a pipe down here, so that would take me... It would take me along here for a very long time. It keeps going. It's still going. And it spits me into the fire maze. Okay. That's not something I want. Oh, but then, okay. It spits me into the fire maze, but there's also another pipe that I can take, which would take me along here. Say, It goes around here, goes back this way. Takes me here. Okay, I don't want that. So that just takes me to a place I've already been. That's nice, I appreciate that. What I don't appreciate is the lack of CDs in this area. Oh, just as I say that, we got some more CDs. Wait, if I keep going this way... Oh no. Oh no, the CD's there. Oh, okay, that's fine. For a second I thought I was back at the spinning platforms. Okay, so now I'm all disorientated. Okay, so I've gone that, we're going around here. That can't be everything up here, can it? So I got up here, I went around this way, through here, went around here, I avoided the pipe. So that's all that's that way. So let's follow this again. Okay, I might have to go to the pipe. So once I get in here, actually no, this isn't the fire maze. This is something else. Okay, that's fine. It would take me then to this pipe, which takes me to this area. Okay, so no, I do want to go into the pipe. Which is this way. Alright. Good thing these pipes take forever, it gives me a chance to rest my hands. But seriously, why is this pipe taking so long? Oh, awesome. I'm really glad I got hit as soon as I came out the pipe. What? Of course there's spikes in the floor. Oh, screw you. I'm so scared something's just gonna come out the floor and kill me. Okay, we got it. Now where the heck is the exit? Okay, screw this, I'm looking at the good map. I think I came out of this pipe. Okay, yeah, this looks right. really don't want to go out the other pipe because that will spit me back to just to an area that doesn't help me. I'm really glad I can move. Right, yeah, the sprite, like, Mohawk sprite stays in the same, like, orientation, but the rest of the screen is what moves. So, the exit is over here. Don't know how to get there. So, the way I think I need to get... Okay, this platform doesn't look too bad. I need to get to this pipe. To get this pipe, it's this way, around here, here. I need to get to this area, which is blocked off. So, I think there's a fake wall somewhere. No. Okay. Just gonna go run around this way because it's safer. No. I didn't mean to do that. How have I spent an hour on this level? I've only game overed like once. How does that happen? Oh man. Alright, while this is happening, make sure you have some water. Stay hydrated. Alright, this... I need to get into here. I need to get into this room. There doesn't appear to be a way to do it. It appears if I drop down here. Now, I don't know what this would do for me, because it appeared like there was no On the map, it appears like there's no, there's no wall here. How the heck? I'm just gonna stay here for a bit because it's safe. So, the problem I'm having is getting into this area that is completely walled off. And the only way to get to it is from another area that's completely walled off. So what am I supposed to do? Did I miss something? So yeah, there's this one area that looks like it doesn't have a wall, which looks like possibly the only spot to go. I can try that again. So basically, above the little nook in the center, like on the map viewer, that whole area doesn't have a wall associated with it. So maybe yeah, and this kind of looks like an arrow pointing to go here. The heck? I'm so confused. I might actually have to... Oh, you serious? Oh no. Oh no. Do I seriously have to do platforming with these things? Nope. But no. Okay. I really don't want to do platforming with those. Oh no. Oh, this sucks. Oh, and if I game over, I'm gonna have to collect all 300 CDs again. Okay. We're in the last section. Okay. Just gonna take him out. Okay, we got a checkpoint. Okay. Okay, I can just drop down here. Screw you. No! Damn it. Okay. Just gotta take it easy. Can I get up to that? What? Bleh. Why did I just fall through the platform? I really hope I don't game over. How did it hurt me through the ground? No! I'm gonna game over. I'm gonna have to do this all over again. Yeah, fuck you. Okay, I can just jump across. Okay, I just have to get to here without dying. Take my time. Okay. Just 2 more jumps. Yes, we're free. Oh god. This is... oh.